Hi, welcome back to Picture Healer channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 different colors of food in relation to the Chinese 5-element theory and how it can benefit our health. Each of the 5 elements corresponds to a color. The wood element is green color, the fire element is red, the earth is yellow, the metal is white, and the water is black. The 5 elements also corresponds to our yin and yang organs. You can look at this chart. The wood element corresponds to liver and gallbladder. The fire corresponds to heart and small intestine. The earth is related to spleen, stomach. The metal is related to lung and large intestine. And the water related to kidney and urinary bladder. The 5-element theory can be related to many things in our world, including the timing and the season and the directions. But here we're just going to talk about the basic of the food-related 5-element theory. For example, the wood is related to the sour taste, tendons, the season of spring, and the emotion of anger. And the fire is related to bitter taste, blood vessel, summer season, and the emotion of joy. The earth element is related to sweet taste, muscle, late summer, and also the emotion of worry. The metal element is related to the pungent taste, skin, autumn, and also the emotion of sadness or sorrow. For the water element, it's related to salty taste, bones, winter time, and also the emotion of fear or anxiety. The ideal diet is a balanced diet, including different colors of food. And if you are in a certain season, you might want to pay attention to a certain type of food. If you have a craving for certain type of food, such as sweet or salty food, you might want to see if there's an imbalance in certain organs, and you will try to adjust your food accordingly to get back to balanced health. If you feel certain strong emotions such as anger or sadness, maybe you can look into the chart and see the imbalance of the 5 elements and adjust your diet according to the 5-element theory. The first element is wood. It's the green color and related to spring. There's a lot of food that's green, including fresh green vegetable, sprout, young plants, and for example, aloe, kiwi, asparagus, scallion, spinach, green bean, green tea, and cucumber, celery, or bitter melon. In the springtime, it's best to eat a lot of green food. The green food also helps regulating liver and gallbladder problems such as emotional anger or irritability. The second element is the fire with the color of red. The red color food include tomato, strawberry, red date, 枸杞子, sweet potato, watermelon, red wine, red pepper, and meat like lamb, pork, or red bean and pomegranate. Since fire element is related to heart and blood vessel, eating more red color food will help with the heart and blood diseases. The third element is earth and the color of yellow. The yellow colored food include egg, carrot, corn, papaya, orange, ginger, pumpkin, banana, lemon, pineapple, mango, squash, almonds, and so on. The yellow food helps us regulate the spleen and stomach for good digestion. The fourth element is metal, and it's the color of white. The white food include milk, garlic, tofu, white wood ear, lotus root, oatmeal, yogurt, chicken meat, pear, coconut, clam and shrimp, and also the pumpkin seed. And the white color food is good at regulating lung and large intestine related disease. The fifth element is water, and it's usually represented as the black color or dark blue. The black color food include black bone chicken or silk chicken, and black sesame seed, black rice or wild rice, and black wood ear hay mu or seaweed, grape, eggplant, plum, black date, and blueberry or blackberry. The black color food is usually very nourishing, so it's good to tonify kidney and regulate urinary bladder problems. In Chinese medicine, too much of anything is not good. The goal is to have a balanced diet with a variety of food and different colors of food in every meal. The 5-element chart helps you observe your own imbalance. Is it because of the certain season, certain taste, certain organ function? Maybe you can try to change your food choice according to the 5-element, 5 different colors of food. If you have more concerns about your health, you should talk to a local licensed Chinese medicine practitioner or acupuncturist. They can give you more personalized medical advice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.